Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the ClickUp Sprints. As you can see here, this will be a basic ClickApp tutorial, and of course, we will see how we can do everything in this app, and of course, how we can actually make it work. For those who don't know, this is like an actual working platform and like a communications platform for people who generally wants to communicate, and for people who has to communicate a lot during the work time. So I will just go on and see how that works, starting with the sign up process, because of course, if you are new to this app, you have to do that first. Login is here, but sign up is already a bigger button. So as you can see, if you want, you can sign up for free using ClickUp in seconds. So I will just, of course, enter an email here. Let's use, and I will just write my email and be back with you guys in a sec. As you can see, guys, after you send them your email, you will be able to keep up with the sign up procedure by choosing a password, your name, of course, full name, and a work email. Of course, you can at this point choose to continue with Google, which I generally do. So I will choose the Google option and then choose my email to continue. I have to confirm this one. I will say confirm, right here. And what would you like to use ClickUp for? Of course, in this video, I will just say personal because I'm doing this video for you guys. But if you are a business environment, you can say work. Or if you're a school group, or if you're a teacher using this for their students, you can say school. I will say personal. How many people will be working with you? This is more like a business or school kind of question. So if you are by yourself, you can say just me. If you have a number of people that work with you, you can choose that. Let's take an example and say we work with 11 to 25 people. And which solution would you like to start with? Of course, in this case, like I said, it keeps going on with the business route. It's not even a school route at this point. So considering if we are a business, let's go back and change our answer to work, because all these questions are work related. So if we just say this, which solution would you like to start with? So if we are a business and we are trying to actually solve a problem, you would choose it right here. Let's say that our problem is about HR and recruiting. And then we can just go on and say, how did you hear about us? I'm going to answer it like you guys and say YouTube, because you may actually just you hear this platform from YouTube, from our video, for example. Or maybe you saw it from online, and then you can say search engine, friend, colleague, whatever you want. I will say YouTube now. And of course, in here, you have to get emails for people to join your workspace. I'm not going to do that for now. So I'm just going to say I'm done from the top bottom of the page, the bottom right of the page. So we will keep going. And of course, after you choose that one, you have to specify if you use any of these tools or not, because these are generally similar tools that can be even used here. So depending on your company, you will you will definitely be using Excel, and you are probably using Monday. Also, Trello is one of the ones I generally know and use. And even in other channels and everything, I have talked about Asana and Jira before. So let's assume we are using these tools so we can get them integrated into our ClickUp Sprints later. I'm just gonna say next. And lastly, what would you like to name your workspace? This is fine. You can just change it if you want. Let's just say company server. And then we will say finish. And then it will generally finalize everything. And we will be able to use our ClickUp immediately. As you can see, we are creating a new workspace here. This might feel familiar considering all the other programs you can find online. It's currently setting up our workspace, so we will just see it like this. As you can see, it gives you like some examples to do. There are some projects. Let's switch their places like this. You will be able to edit tasks. You can track time to see how long it takes. But this is of course the beginning. Like, this is generally a way to organize everything you have. And to do this properly, you can, like, of course, as you can see, a better way to visualize your work. You can click that and check it out. It's a general tool that will help you like program everything better. You can like explore templates. You can start by doing that. The simple dashboard, there are like business expenses and everything. Like, I already have this simple dashboard here, so I'm not even gonna go through with that. But let's say you invited people and everything. And of course, as you can see, this is the everything space that has every project. There is the home part that you can use to see everything. And of course, this is not like a space where people will be able to like communicate directly. This is more like a work assignment environment. But of course, if you want that, you will be able to use the inbox to send people messages actually. And of course, as you can see, the imports from other programs are already here. So it can take the data from them and use it in this space. So you can just go through here. You can use docs, whiteboards, polls, goals, timesheets, or you can go through projects and edit these tasks, add more tasks like this. Let's say task 4. And of course, you will assign people at a due date through here. The priority, if it's like really, really important, you can say this one is low, this one is urgent, this one is high, this one is normal, and like you put them, change their progress and everything. Like, the urgent one has to be in progress immediately, so you start doing it immediately. And of course, you will assign people to that project. Let's say we have to do this one, so we will assign this. And of course, you will choose the due date, and the moment it's done, the person who has done it will be able to change it to complete. And of course, that will finalize it, and that will tell everyone that this project is finished and they can work on something new. That's generally how ClickUp goes, and of course, with this, you will be able to organize everything better. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. But in any other case, I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day, and goodbye.